Is he missing me? This is when he starts to miss you. If you have felt that your relationship is on the verge of breaking, and that you two are no longer what you used to be, then you need to employ some tactics to bring the excitement between the two of you and make your man mad about you again. But when incorporating these methods, how do you know that they work? How do you know if your man is missing you and that you are doing the right thing? In today's video, we are talking about when exactly your man starts to miss you and how you can recognize the signs. Before we begin, subscribe to Modern Love Potion because every video you watch will transform you into a woman high-value men can't resist. So click or tap the subscribe button now to not miss out. Number 1. Create some distance. In order to get your partner to miss you, first you have to give him space to do so. If you two are constantly together, then you are not giving him the chance to miss you. Or, when you aren't together, you are always on the phone. The same thing happens. This is also when your relationship starts to feel less interesting, and passion may disappear quickly. For this, distance yourself a little from your boyfriend. If you're living together, find yourself a hobby that won't include him. Contact your friends and go out with them once or twice a week without inviting him. Or if you aren't living together, then it's even easier. If you two meet every single day, cancel a date or two in the week, and you will see him calling and texting more often. Plus, when you do meet him, your passion and desire for him will be greater, and so will his. You will particularly spark the interest between the both of you, hence improve your relationship in the long run. Hey, are you liking the video so far? If so, I have good news. Make sure you like and subscribe to Modern Love Potion because every video you watch will transform you into a woman high-value men can't resist, and you'll never miss our videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, if you have a story you want to share with me or other people watching this video in the Modern Love Potion community, write a comment below. Okay, so where were we? Number 2. Give enough space. So when does a man start to miss you? On average, based on my client's experience, it takes about 2 to 4 days of no contact for your partner to start missing your presence. So, cancel a few dates and call and text him less frequently and see the magic happening. However, during this time, don't sit at home going crazy and desperate over this. Go out with your friends or family and have fun without him. Learn how to not be so dependent on your partner, because in the future, that will only bring more problems. Understand even though you two are together, you still have the right to have separate activities and fun away from each other. And that is even better, because when you two meet, you will have many more things to talk about and share, instead of being trapped in the same reality without experiencing anything else fun. Number 3. Work on yourself. People in long-term relationships tend to forget about their looks and health once they enter that comfort zone with their partner. They no longer care about their body or their hair. They don't put makeup on and no longer dress on occasion. This isn't to say that your man has to value you only because of your looks, but taking care of yourself and looking sexy from time to time won't only make him crazy about you, but it will also make you feel great about yourself. So, get a new haircut, sign up in the gym or even some yoga classes, and work on improving your body and health overall. This will spark your man's interest in you even more. It will also set an excellent example for him to take care of himself as well. Don't be afraid of welcoming some of these changes in your relationship in order to make your man miss you. Once he realizes what you are doing, he will start taking more interest in you. Texting, calling, being more loving, and caring will all happen once you begin employing these small changes in your relationship. However, you shouldn't overdo anything because that may ruin the progress. So, stay tuned for some additional resources on how to make a man miss you. Did you just break up with your partner? Or did your partner just break up with you? One of my female friends just recently went through a breakup with her boyfriend. Her boyfriend stood up in front of her and said, "I'm breaking up with you." Her heart dropped. It was like a dagger stabbed her in the heart. She felt ugly, insecure, and sad all the time. She felt devastated. She had no idea the relationship was on the brink of breaking up. The next week she spent in bed crying over him. All she wanted was for everything to be back to normal again, and his arms wrapped around her. She wanted him back, and she started becoming a little desperate. She tried being more sexual with him, tried making him jealous with other men, and even no contact without it working at all. It actually pushed him more away than getting him closer. Then she learned a couple of simple psychological triggers that work on all men. The way she would win her ex back was to use these psychological triggers in the right order at the exact right time over a couple of weeks. A couple of times per week, she would feed her ex these psychological triggers in person, through text, and on social media. All of a sudden, her ex got so much emotional obsession over her that he would do anything to win her back. His desire was so intense that he was filled with the purest form of guilt for ever letting her walk away. And his mind was filled with reasons why getting back together with her would be the best decision of his entire life. If you want to learn how she did this, you scroll down in the description and click the first link. You'll learn the most scientifically validated technique for getting your ex-boyfriend back in your arms. Even though you think it's impossible, it will teach you how to use its techniques to compel your ex to fall back in love with you again for good. If you're interested, click the first link in the description now. Also, did you like this video? Then I have good news. We release new videos every week, so remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel because you'll get notified of every new Modern Love Potion video. If you're having problems with love and men, you should watch our 3 best videos by tapping the screen now. They might solve your love problems instantly, kind of like drinking a modern love potion that will make him fall at your feet. Click the link or tap the screen for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.